Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Tech for Techie, for all the latest in the world of technology. Today, we are again come with latest tech news innovation, uncovering the hottest gadgets, dissecting tech trends, and exploring the future of tech. So, grab your seat and join me on this electrifying journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's start the video. Number 1. OnePlus has launched their most awaited series, OnePlus 12, in China. According for Chinese tech market, this phone is offering some amazing feature and specifications. Also, I am sharing some specification on the screen. Please check that out. It will launch globally in the coming year of January 23. Number 2. Poco is claiming that experience comfort in the dark with Poco X5 Pro. It has PWN dimming feature for day or night. It's easy on your eyes. Number 3. Realme Global has confirmed that it is time to welcome new member to the GT line, Realme GT5 Pro. It is launching in China. Soon it will launch globally. Also, it is revealed it will come in 3 color options with wagon leather design. Personally, I am looking forward for this device. Number 4. On official page of Redmi revealed that they are ready to launch Redmi 13 series. According to sources, Redmi 13C will be most affordable 5G device in its segment. Number 5. After such a long time, Motorola came up with some tech update. With 2 different devices on their very own Pantone color. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and Motorola Edge 40 Neo, which is looking absolutely stunning. Number 5. Next tech news is from Apple. As per rumors, Apple is ready to launch new iPad Air, iPad Air Pro, and Apple MacBook Air in March 2024. Number 6. Honor is ready to come back again in tech industry. They are launching Honor Pad X9 in mesmerizing space gray with immersive cutting-edge technology. That's all for today's tech news. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel for further update. Thanks for watching.